Dr. Halima Sadia is a distinguished educational leader, esteemed coach, seasoned trainer, and a prolific author boasting 3 decades of rich experience. Throughout her illustrious career, she has mentored a remarkable 35,000 individuals. Wow. Sharing her insights and wisdom. With 4 authored books under her belt, including the acclaimed Make Them Happy, Make Them Great, and Leadership and Influence, Dr. Sadia has solidified her reputation as a thought leader in her field. Driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge and diverse experiences, Dr. Sadia has traversed the globe, visiting 20 countries in pursuit of enlightenment. Her professional journey has led her to work in 4 different countries, enriching her understanding of global perspective and cultural nuisance. Currently, Dr. Sadia serves as a visionary leader of EduFarm International Academy, a beacon of guidance for individuals, professionals, business owners, and aspiring entrepreneurs on their paths to success. Her commitment to nurturing talent and fostering growth is evident in her tireless efforts to empower others. In her personal life, Dr. Sadia is a proud mother of 2 sons, Amar Jilani and Hamad Jilani, both thriving in their endeavors and settled in Singapore. Dr. Sadia's dedication to her family, coupled with her passion for learning and services, exemplifies her holistic approach to life. Please all welcome Dr. Halima Sadia.
Thank you, Chinmay.
I hope you did a good job.
Thank you. Good morning, friends.
Good morning. Good morning.
What do you expect from me?
Refreshing talk.
Refreshing, yes. What do you expect from me?
Positive energy.
Positive energy. Okay, what do you expect from me?
Nice thoughts.
Some nice thoughts. And आफ्ताब जी आप क्या expect करते हो?
Plus educating people.
Thank you very much. And Amrita, आप?
Also, educating people with your positive energy, always.
So thank you very much, friends. Now I request you kindly take out your mobile. Although mobile is not allowed during the meeting, but this is the special occasion. I am going to share a link. Yes, and this link is in the official group. What you have to do, the friends, those who are new here, we can help them to get this link.
Is there or not you will be sending?
No, I am sending now. Yes, it has gone. It has gone now. Yes, you can help your friend to get that link. You can take it from ma'am. You can help Raju to give him the link. Now please. Yes, before opening the link. Yeah, before opening the link, please listen to me carefully. That we are human beings and we have different aspects of our lives, and we have to be the most compassionate person for ourselves. And whatever you are going to do right now is not any test or exam, or you will be getting any reward or any award for this. Neither anybody is going to see this. It's for you. So just click the link and there you will find this page. Yeah, you will find this page, and then below that page you will find take the assessment. Then when you click on take the assessment, you will find that there are points 1 to 10. Now the first thought that comes to your mind about your health, if you are highly satisfied, if you don't have any issues in the health, you can click on 10. But if you are finding any issues, any problems as per your age, like I am facing problem like breathing when I walk fast, but that is as per my age, isn't it? I should not think that I am 24 years old and I should run around and walk. So as per your age, you can calculate your points.
What's your age?
27. 27.
Sorry, I'm very sorry.
Okay, so please click on that, whatever number, 10 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. And then let's move to the next question.
Career.
Yes. If you are highly satisfied, then 10. If you are still having lots of dreams, ambitions, yet to be fulfilled, then accordingly you can give the funds to yourself. Next. Love. So are you able to get love from your spouses, from your children, from your friends? You are happy whatever you are getting, or you feel lonely, isolated?
Feeling lonely and not getting love are different things.
Yes.
So what we should do?
Yeah, no, love. Go for love. Not hesitate. Go for love. Now the spirituality, our relationship with God, with Creator. How close we are, and are we happy?
Nobody is close, I think. Reality.
There is no zero.
Sahal, my darling.
Very good.
You want to feel zero in something?
Yes, Sanal, what's in
What is it?
spirituality?
Yeah, I want to know which area you want.
Spirituality.
Spirituality.
No, I will give 8 to myself. Then family.
Always
Are you balancing between your work and family?
working with family, so best. Best. Don't need to balance
Are
anything.
you able to give them the priority?
You are lucky.
Yes, you are
Don't
lucky.
need to
You are
balance
lucky.
anything.
But all of us are not that fortunate. So we can give some points as per our calculation. Now money. Yes, Chinmay. This is for you. If they are giving 10 out of 10, you can catch them. That they have enough money. Why don't you talk to
So,
Chinmay?
if they're giving less, also I think we should go to Chinmay, right?
Yes.
Because I want more money. Little more money will help.
I want to make money when I'm sleeping.
I
Yes.
want to make money when I'm sleeping.
Okay, so now coming to fun.
Always.
BNI has already given us lots of opportunity, but before that, yes, it was not that high. Still, we can find that where we are, the fun elements in our life. Okay. Now the last one is friends.
10.
Do you have good friends?
Very good.
Loyal
20
friends?
over here only right now.
Very good.
Yes, right now we are sitting here, so we can give 10 out of this.
Zain, where is your
Where is your wheel?
If
No,
any
I'm actually on
area
video
is not-
responsibility.
If any area is not matching your personality, you can skip also. Now, may I request you all to kindly show this, like this. Take mobile in your hand and show like this. Yes, let me have a look. Yes, yes.
We should
No,
us
close,
make sure.
close.
Yes.
Asking you a question now.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Yes, show me. Yes, well done. Great. Yes, lovely. Yes, well done. Wow. See, none of us have a perfect circle. Yes. That's common. If life is a journey and we are moving on the wheel, if you are driving your car with this type of wheel, how will you drive? Is it possible to drive with that type of wheel? Not at all. So we at EduFam International Academy, what we do? We try to make your wheel of life a perfect wheel. So first we assess, then we recommend, and then we advise that how we are going to make this a perfect wheel for our life. And give a big round of applause to Jason. Jason, can you show your wheel? It is like little imbalanced, but mostly balanced, we can say. Yes, give a big round of applause to Jason. So So thank you, my dear friends. This was the introduction of EduFam International Academy. Now I am going to speak about the latest initiative of EduFam that's going to happen in the month of September on 14th September. May I request you to kindly play this?
Video?
It is video.
There is no pointer here.
Okay, no problem. Then give me the pointer.
The play button is not there.
This is PDF, right?
Yeah, okay, no issues. You can change. So I am going to speak about Global Leaders Conference and Award Ceremony on Sustainable Development. It's going to happen on 14th September in Al Bustan Hotel, Dubai. And why we are organizing this? The objectives are, yes, Mr. Chairman. The objectives of this conference is that sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So as we have received this universe, this world, we have to leave this world as it is without disturbing for the future generation. That is the endeavor. That has to be the purpose of each one of us life. But what we are doing in reality, that we are disturbing the nature and we are spoiling. I should not go into the details of that because we all are educated people here. We all know that how we have disturbed the entire ozone layer, global warming, and what not is there that is disturbing this universe. Yes, you can just try.
Chinmay.
So, organizer is EduFam International Academy that works under EduFam Training Services, and it is UAE based company, that is my company. And we have the support partners in this, ACE International Singapore, Resolve Asia Malaysia, and we have media partner as Brandgills India. So these are some of the objectives of the conference. First, promote sustainable development goals, then foster global leadership, encourage the leaders to champion sustainable practices. Like in our small ways, in our own lives, how we can practice sustainability. I will give you one or two examples. Then share the best practices from other countries because there are expected 25 countries people. Some will be on virtual platform and while others will be physically in Al Bustan Hotel. Then on this occasion, we are going to have networking and collaboration opportunity, and then we are going to recognize excellence as BNI. One of the core value is recognition. So those who are practicing this in their own businesses, we will acknowledge them and give them the awards, and their company will be highlighted in that conference. This is international award. And these are the award categories, and in each category we have 5 seats. So it means that there are going to be 35 people, 35 companies who are going to be awarded. One is even for the education also, education for sustainable development. If any school, college, universities, they are promoting this, they will also be awarded. And there are other corporates and other awards. Now I should not explain that what are the benefits of awards. We all know that recognition always gives the credentiality to our companies. And there is no money involved in the award. Like if somebody is thinking that I have to pay this much amount and I will be awarded, no. Only the registration fees for the conference is there, whether you are as a delegate or as a speaker or as awardee, whatever is your capacity, registration fee is there. This is a common registration fee for all. But as already announced that for BNI, there is going to be only the venue charges of 100 dirham, not more than that. That will be for the BNI members, a special offer to them. Then we are involving students also because nowadays the new generation has better ideas than our generation. So we will be having panel discussion for them. If you know some students who are really working in this field for sustainability, you can always recommend them to be the panelist in this conference. And it will be a great honor for them to share the stage with lots of great people and speakers. So Dr. Aftab ji has already consented to be one of the speakers, and I am very much grateful. Please give a big round of applause to Dr. Aftab Saab. He is going to be one of the speakers in this conference. And we have already finalized the guest of honor. She is Sheikha Laila. If you all are aware, she is the influencer here in UAE. Yes. So she will be the guest of honor, and we are contacting Bu Abdullah. He is also very famous here among the Indian Pakistani communities. He is going to be the chief guest for the occasion. And I request you all to kindly be the partner in this program and plus pray for us, pray for the success, because this is our first endeavor here in UAE. Already we have done in Singapore and Maldives before because I was there, but since this time I am in Dubai, and that's why we have taken this initiative. He is Sayyid Anwar Bari. He is since last 40 years with Al Bukhatir. He is going to be our patron in this program. He is also one of the BNI member, Mr. Fazli Alam. He has come forward to be the support partner in this. If some of you want to be the support partner, please come forward. If you want to attend the program, you are most welcome. If you want to be the awardee, you are most welcome. Kindly contact us. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, kindly, you are free to ask.
All the best, Halima.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Doctor, can you share this in the official group?
Yeah, we will share. We will share.
Do we need to register for this?
Yes, you have to register. You have to register online.
Yeah.
So if you are attending just as attendee, then that will be only venue charges, okay? So you can go learn, do networking and all. But if you want to be like properly as either a sponsor or partner or awardee or a speaker, then you have to go into the mainstream. Then you have to register like that. So this is the difference. Okay, thank you very much everyone. And without you, Halima is nothing. Believe me, if you will not come, it will not happen. Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much.